Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to use Stomp move in Subway Surfers City. So first thing that you will do is, of course, you could just simply go ahead and open up the Subway Surfer City. So guys, to have the Stomp move available, make sure you are running the latest version of the app so you won't have any problems. And now once you are here, of course, you just simply make a run. And for this video, I will be running on one of the challenges. Now guys, in order for you to use the stomp move, you just simply jump by swiping up and then down. So from here, I have used the stomp move by utilizing the bouncy train. So you could also use that move when there are wooden coins at the ground to break the coin. So from here, as you can see, there is a lot of bouncy trains. So I could usually stomp on them in order for me to utilize that move, as you can see guys, that I'm currently doing. And pretty much jumping and then going down will do the stomp move into the Subway Surfer City. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, please make sure to leave a like. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below and we will do our best to answer them all. Thanks for watching.